How to fix verification code not received on WhatsApp. Hello guys, on this new tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix this problem. So the first way is you have to open the settings on your phone, scroll down until you find the apps manager, go to the apps and then go to the apps again. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do here is very simple. Just scroll down until you find WhatsApp and then click on it. After you find it, click on full stop and then go down to the storage, and here click on clear data and clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back to the settings and this time open the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode and wait a few seconds, then disable it again. That's the second way. The third way is you have to make sure that your SIM card, there's no problem with it, because sometimes it's just because of the SIM card. So yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.